Ready to turn your Minecraft world into a demolition zone. First, lay down a row of any solid block. I'm using stone, make it 9 blocks long. Now, place another row directly beside the first, keeping it parallel and the same length. Close off one end of your 2 rows with a block on each side, creating a rectangle with one open end. Place a slab on the open end of the rectangle. This will prevent the TNT from exploding prematurely. Place water at the closed end. Make sure it flows to the slab without going over. Place one block directly on top of one of the solid blocks at the closed end. Put a button on the side of that block. This will ignite the TNT that launches the projectile. Lay redstone dust on top of the solid blocks, leading from the button, stopping 1 block short of the open end. Place a repeater at the end of the redstone line. Make sure it's facing the open end and set it to the maximum delay of 4 ticks. Fill the water trough with TNT, leaving the very last block open, just before the slab. Finally, place 1 TNT block on the slab. This is your projectile. Press the button, wait a moment, and watch the TNT fly. Remember, experiment with different angles and power levels for maximum destruction. Now you're ready to launch TNT across your Minecraft world.